What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So, I had a platform that came across my desk, and I thought that this was very, very interesting. The reason why I think that this is interesting is because it's a brand new model. You know how we're used to play to earn, games and, stake to earn, and all of these other models that we have there. This is kind of a brand new model. I would say that this reminds me of Coinbase, but it's learn to earn, which is pretty cool. So we're gonna go through 99 bitcoins in this video. It is a position or a project that specializes in learn to earn, and it's currently in pre-sale. So we're going to talk about where it is. We're going to talk about how much it's been raised. We're going to talk about the project, just everything that you need to know. Hopefully, you guys, take everything I say with a grain of salt, because I want you guys to go and do your own research. And within this is like you're doing research within research, right? As you do research about the project, you're going to be researching more as you hold the project. As you decide to continue to learn more, you earn more. So, guys, if you could, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel, as well as the links for 99 Bitcoins. I will provide them down at the top of the description. Also, don't forget about my Margex link if you guys want to trade on there. That'll be somewhere in the description at the lower end. But feel free to check that out. Um, but let's start with the website, right? You can see it posted all over the website. Learn to earn with 99 Bitcoins, ultimate learning tool. Now, currently they are in pre-sale. There is 2 days, 1 hour, and 1 minute left until the next price increase. You're currently seeing 199 BTC that's worth 10% of a penny. Not bad at all. You're also seeing that you are definitely in the early stages of things where you're not seeing $1 million, you're seeing about $1 million, which means that this could start, a little bit lower depending on how much popularity it gets. If it starts higher, then obviously that goes, it obviously goes with the popularity that it's gaining. So if it starts at, say 2 million, 3 million, 5 million, 10 million, right? If it raises that much, then obviously you see that level of popularity. But you could buy with ETH, you could buy with USDT, you can buy with a card, you can also buy with BNB. I like the new pre-sales that we have, right? Older pre-sales is basically like on that chain. You buy it directly on that chain, and that's pretty much it. Now you have things that are multi-chain. You have pre-sales to where you can buy with just straight cash, where you can send it to a certain wallet. There's just so many different options for pre-sales, which is really cool to see that out there. So, anyways, let's get into a little bit more, right? What is 99 Bitcoins? 99 Bitcoins token, the future of learn to earn. Launching with a new learn to earn token, 99 Bitcoins is designed to reward individuals for learning about cryptocurrency. The classic 99 Bitcoins platform is integrated with BRC20 to pioneer the L2E model on the Bitcoin blockchain. Right now in the community, you have 709,000 followers, you have 2.8 million subscribers, and then you have 79 hours of crypto courses at the moment. Learn as or earn as you learn. When my points when my points launched, the world's first rewards platform in 1996, it started a trend that eventually led to the tokenization of rewards. Crypto's um, successful play to earn and move to earn models amassed staggering $8.9 billion market value in 2023. Now, 99 Bitcoins is pioneering the next evolution of rewards with Learn to Earn. Now, the reason why this is very interesting is because it brings back up a previous way of thinking about things. I'm not saying that it's brand new, the Learn to Earn model, but when it comes to a cryptocurrency, that's where it's new. If you look at, let's say, Coinbase offered a learn to earn model, not in a cryptocurrency, but within their platform, right? If they wanted to, let's say, push a certain cryptocurrency or have people understand a cryptocurrency, they would pay people like $10, $2 per thing that you learned about that cryptocurrency, which I thought was really, really cool because then it taught people about crypto. And I noticed that a lot of people were like, have you seen this project? This is something about it. This is something about it. And they were learning things as they were newer to the crypto market, which is really, really great. So if you're seeing this directly in a project to learn and continue to learn and continue to earn, that'll be phenomenal there because it reminds me of that. Launching a BRC20 powered platform since 2013, 99 Bitcoins is the most comprehensive online learning resource in crypto. New BRC20 tech, the BRC20 token standard enables the building of dApps on top of the Bitcoin network. And then you see 99 Bitcoins token. Together, 99 Bitcoins leverages BRC20 to create learn to earn platform that rewards users to learn about crypto. What you get on 99 Bitcoins platform. These are some of the things that you get here. Crypto learning, you get interactive crypto learning. You get 99 Bitcoins token rewards, BRC20 tools and education, crypto trading signals, the Bitcoin halving effect, community engagement. And let's go ahead and check out some of those in detail, right? We'll look at the rewards. As you progress through the curriculum, actively participate in the community, you'll earn 99 Bitcoins token directly through your Ethereum wallet. These tokens can be redeemed for various rewards, including exclusive access to premium content, discounts on partner products and services, and even opportunities to participate in token holder events. Very interesting there. BRC20 tools and education, the latest cutting edge token standard in crypto. BRC20 allows developers to build dApps, NFTs, and other applications on top of the Bitcoin network. Bitcoin 99 Bitcoins shows you how to get started in the world of BRC20 and will be bridging the 99 BTC token into BRC20, opening up a new utility as Bitcoin gains mass adoption. And the Bitcoin halving effect, which we know of recently, April 19th, 2024, marked the date of the latest Bitcoin halving, a pre-programmed event that happens every 4 years as the amount of new BTC mined reduces by 50% per block, as the new supply decreases and the demand for BTC increases as more new investors discover crypto, so will the need for the 99 Bitcoins token and our learn to earn ecosystem. It's just interesting what they do have here. And let's go through, I guess, some of the tokenomics, some of the token metrics, just so you understand that piece of it. The total supply will be 99 billion 99 BTC. Pre-sale gets about 10%, staking gets 14%, project funds 27%, community rewards 17%, liquidity 8%, marketing is 23%. Here's their roadmap just to understand that, and then we'll finish up here. So roadmap, you have Q2 2024, where we currently are, pre-sale launch, staking, functionality, platform build begins. 2023, pre-sale is claimed. 2024, third quarter, pre-sale claimed, DEX launch. You have the platform build continues, learn to earn information. I guess they're going for CEX listings in Q4, learn to earn, BRC20 bridge and dev starts, beta platform release. And then you have beyond 2024, the bridge to BRC20 is complete. Full platform release, strategic collaborations, and content expansion. Also, they have an airdrop going on. Win a share of our Bitcoin. Airdrop worth $99,999. To celebrate this launch token, we are thrilled to announce a colossal $99,999 BTC airdrop for our incredible community. Let's clarify that, because if you say 99,000, that's $99,999 worth of BTC. Follow the steps below to secure your entry. So if you guys want to do that, feel free to go ahead and do that there. They also have staking associated with them, which is a lot. Guys, if you want to research this more, feel free to go ahead and dive into this. But they also have staking that is associated with it, and being able to gain something as you do hold it, not only just from the learn to earn model, is a big deal as well. So, anyways, this is the website. Feel free to go ahead and check it out. Give it a look, see if you like it. Make sure you do your research on the project, because doing your research makes you feel better about what you're holding. But guys, if you could, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below for 99 Bitcoins, as well as some of the links that I have. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.